Alright guys, so right now it is, I think it's like 8 p.m. As you can see, it's dark. It is October 10th, and I just got an email from the company saying and telling me that the wheels are ready to go. I just gotta pay the second half so they can ship them out. So this is just a little update video for the really cool video that I'm making of the wheels. And yeah, I'm super excited, so I cannot wait till I get here. Boys, it's been literally like 3 to 4 weeks, but today is finally the day. Right now it's like 9:59 a.m. October 17th. It is Wednesday. It says right now that the rims arrived today by the end of the day, guys. I am so excited. Sadly, I probably won't be here by the time. Sorry about the background noise. I probably won't be here by the time they arrive, but I told my whole family, because I have to go to school by the way. I told my whole family that the rims that were supposed to be here, that they also have to sign the thing when the guy knocks on the door, so everything should be good. Fingers crossed we get it by today, guys. Literally, it's in Fort Myers. I live in Naples. That's like 45 minutes away. So hopefully we get the new rims today. And I was also thinking, guys, what's kind of annoying is that in this video you're not gonna see the rims put on the car. Like, I am gonna show you the rims, but sadly today's Wednesday and I'm really busy and I'm not able to go ahead and put the rims on the car. I have to take it to a shop and all that. So I'm probably gonna do that Friday, so expect 2 videos. I mean 1 video after this one, but expect 2 videos this week. Well, 3 videos, because I uploaded 1. I think it was like Sunday. So, but yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that this video you're not gonna see them on the car, but it's gonna be a really cool reveal, so I hope you guys like it. And for what I wanted to get to from that statement is, let's just take a last look. So, well, sort of a last look of how she's gonna look like with the rims, guys. Like, it's gonna look the same, but at the same time it's not. I mean the difference shouldn't really be that big, but honestly, I feel like she's gonna look so much better. Like, those rims are gonna make the car look so sick, guys. Wait till you guys see them. Wait till you guys see them. Also, guys, don't forget that I am selling my Sport Rays. So if you guys are interested in buying them, DM me on Instagram. I'll leave it like Z34_Lee. I've already said it before, but maybe some of you haven't seen it. I am selling my Sport Rays. Hit me up, please. I am selling them for very cheap. And yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and head to school. I'll probably update you guys in school. Honestly, I'm probably gonna keep like refreshing the FedEx page until I see that it arrived home. So yeah, I'm so excited right now, guys. I'm super excited. So yeah, let's go ahead and head to school. Okay, guys, so I'm in the bathroom right now. No, super awkward. I didn't even bring my camera. That's why I'm recording through my phone. So actually, first, how was school? School was good. You know, I had math and art today. I had to do the presentation. Super annoying. I couldn't really concentrate because, you know, the wheels were coming. The whole class I was like constantly checking. And in the middle between my math class and my art class, when I was in the library, my mom texted me that when she was leaving the house, she saw the boxes on the side. So boys, let's go ahead and go home because the wheels are in. Delivered! We're home! Yes. We got theirs, we got theirs, we got theirs, we got theirs. Literally, this is like a month wait, like 3 to 4, like 4 weeks of wait, finally. We just finished like 30 minutes. It was like 30 minutes of opening this box up. But here we go, boys. These are huge. They look so big. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's turn it on, let's turn it on. So much protection, oh my goodness. Do you like them? They look nice. They're like so simple. I really like them. Yo. Alright boys, here we got, as you already guessed, these are the FORGESTAR CF5Vs. Super sick. So I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, I'm gonna take it out here so you guys can see. This is what they look like. Look how big this look like when it's not on the tire or on the car. These are huge. Oh my gosh. Let's see right here. I'm not gonna put them on the ground, don't worry. I can't wait to put these on. Okay guys, so let me sit down and really talk to you guys about the rims because I was really hungry. I haven't eaten anything all day, so I went inside, I ate something. Let me just sit down and let's talk about the rims. Also, I wanted to say shout out to like FORGESTAR, man. Like their quality is really good and really good quality rims. And just like look how much protection it brought. Like really happy with how much protection it brought. Okay, so these are the rear tires. These are 19 by 11. I went a little wider, 19 by 11, because I do plan on going 305s. Soon, hopefully, fingers crossed. I couldn't get the tires with the wheels because it would have been like 2,000 and something. And I'll get to how much this cost me in a little bit. But these are 19 by 11, and they are, if you look at them from up here, you're like, alright, nice. But then you come down here, guys, and look how concave these are. I love this. I honestly, like, I love this set of wheels. They are super concave on the rear, which is, these are the rear. And I will show you guys like the next video because the front tires are like in there. I mean the front wheels. But the front wheels are concave, not super concave. So the front is a little more, it's like in, and then the rear is like really in. So let me get down here and really talk to you guys about how much the wheels cost, how long it took to ship, how long it took to make, and just everything, because you guys know that I like really going into detail with you and not really keeping anything from you. Okay, so these, I already said in the video, but these are the FORGESTAR CF5Vs, I believe that's what they're called. Yeah, I'll put it in the screen just in case I'm wrong. The rears are, I already said it, but they are 19 by 11, and the fronts are 19 by 10 and a half, I believe. Either 19 by 10 and a half or 19 by 10. I'll put it somewhere on the screen. So these are custom made because I wanted them super concave on the rear and then concave on the front. Also the measurements, they didn't have any, so they had to make them. And FORGESTAR, they're a company where you have to order them and then they make them. They don't sell them by you can't just like pick them and then buy them right off the bat. You have to wait for them to make them, and yeah, pretty cool. These wheels actually cost $1,798. I think around there, like 1,700 and something, with no tires. I know, super expensive. And that's not even including shipping, which would probably be like, I don't know, 100 extra bucks, so like $1,800. Let's say max that you would pay for these wheels, if you order them and everything, it would be like 1,800, 1,900. Well, they actually had a, I don't know if they still have it, so if you guys want to go check these wheels out, go to FORGESTAR or Get Your Wheels. Actually, a huge shout out to them. I think his name is Jason, or I'll put his name here. Sorry if I said the wrong name. Huge shout out to you, man. You're really good customer service, like a really good person. They had a special deal where right when you bought it, you get $200 off. So instead of 1,700, it was 1,500. I think I paid for these 1,598, something like that. And so yeah, that's how much I paid for these wheels, 1,590 something. How it worked was I had to pay half. I had to pay $785, like the first half, so they can start making them. And then after, I think it was like 3 or 4 weeks, I had to pay the other $785 so they could ship them out to me. So yeah, guys, I mean, I hope that helped. I hope you like me being transparent with you. These are really expensive. Might not be like TE37s or, I don't know, Rohana's cost around the same. So these are relatively really expensive, really good quality wheels. I mean, FORGESTAR's a very good quality brand, you guys know that. So I'm pretty happy I went with these guys. I hope you like it. I mean, these still look beautiful in this shot right here. I love how they look, honestly. I was gonna go with the FORGESTAR F14s, but they're so common and they look good, but they're like too common, and I don't know. I really like how this looks. I'm really happy I went with these. Shout out to you, Angel. I know you're watching this, bro, so shout out to you. So now let's talk about why I'm getting the Rays and why I got the same color wheels, and basically why I got matte / satin again. Okay, so now that I'm down here, let me tell you guys why I'm getting rid of these wheels, which if you don't already, I already said in the beginning of the video, please buy them off of me. I'll give you a good deal. They're particle design black, please. So first, the wheels are really good. I mean, these are sport race, guys. These are amazing wheels. Probably the best wheels Nissan has made, other than the 2015 Nismo wheels. I really like those too, but these over any other wheel. I don't know. To be honest with you guys, I got sick of looking at that car with the same wheels. I mean, I did a body kit. sorry, excuse me, I did the wing. I've done so many things. Having the stock wheels is like, you know, even if, I don't know, just get aftermarket wheels, get something better. And I really like those wheels, honestly. So why am I getting these? Why am I getting rid of these? If I kept it, they're also shipping right there, so I would have to repowder coat them, which would be 300 bucks. And I feel like I shouldn't really put money into these wheels. And I don't know, I like those wheels better. I feel like they're gonna make the car have a new, cleaner look. Once I get the 305s, it's gonna be a lot better, but as of now, they're gonna look really nice with the new wheels. And I don't know, just let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I want your opinion. Let me know if you like the new wheels better than this one, or if you wish I kept the Sport Rays. And also, the reason I got in black and satin black, I mean, those are matte black, because I never wanted to go from the gray and black color scheme. I always told myself, even before I had the 370, I'm like, it's gonna be gray and black. Like, I don't care. If I got another color, it would have really changed the look. Like if I got like, not gold, but like bronze, they look really nice. But I really wanted to stay with the gray on black. So with that said, guys, this video is basically coming to an end. Sorry if it's kind of short. I think it is. I'm glad you guys like coming to school with me today. Man, I could not concentrate. But as I was gonna say, let's get one last good look at Brittany with these wheels. Bros, like Stratman says, get one last good look, because once it's gone, it's gone. And that is the last clip you guys are gonna see of Brittany with those wheels, with the Sport Rays on. Next video, I gotta face this way. But guys, be sure to stay tuned, because next video is gonna be a really awesome video. I'm really gonna try to do really good. We're gonna go ahead and, sorry about the background noise by the way. We're gonna go ahead and install the wheels. I'm gonna film the whole process. I'm gonna try to, at least. I think I'm gonna take it to a shop. So if it's kind of bad to film at the shop, I'm not gonna, but it's alright. We're gonna do a video, and we're gonna do like a reveal, and we're gonna see the car. I'm gonna take it somewhere really nice, and we're gonna have fun with the next video. This video was just revealing the wheels, because I felt bad for last time what I did. It was really bad. I'm sorry for that. So I hope you guys enjoy the wheels. And with that said, guys, I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. Today was more of me talking and going to school and all that. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 10,000. Help us reach 10,000, guys. When we make it, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be absolutely amazing, and I'm gonna do a giveaway. So share with your friends, your whole family, whatever you like. And yeah, from Brittany and I, which you can't see. So see you guys next time. Peace. Oh, let me know what you guys think about the wheels.